Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Nate. I got a truck rip today. Got a box of 22 Topps Chrome Platinum. Got this at Walmart today, and going to see what I can find. Hopefully no wonders, but maybe we'll find something better in here. I think these were yeah, they're like $29.98 at Walmart, but I just got off work and I said, why not? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs, because it says 7 packs plus 1 extra pack, 4 cards. But we all know there's a little bit more in each pack, so let's see what we can find. Alright, first one, Stephen Kwan rookie, Craig Biggio, Eli Morgan, and Dick Allen. Base pack there. Try the next one. See if we have any hits in this one. Brandon Woodruff. Got a refractor of Andrew Vaughn and Garrett Cole. Uh-oh, we got something turned around right there, a little shining like a diamond. Spencer Strider rookie with a little bit of print line or something on there. Adam Frazier. Got another turned around card. This is the speckled Ivan Castillo for the Kansas City Royals. Rod Carew there, and Marcus Stroman on the blue parallel. Those are all exclusive in the blaster packs. Ivan Castillo, that is numbered out of 78 of 150. 78 of 150. Little Royals hit there. Let's see what we got here. Alright, we got George Brett, Brendan Rodgers, Bobby Doerr, Jorge Soler, and Dwight Doc Gooden on the Prism parallel. Let's see what we got here. Royce Lewis, Ronzi Contreras, Brian Reynolds, Yasmani Grandal. Tony Gwynn, Bernie Williams, refractor of Corbin Burns, Reed Detmers rookie. 2 more to go. We've got Harold Baines, Byron Buxton, Larry Doby. On the back, Carlton Fisk. That's the cracked ice, I think. Yeah, that's a cracked ice blue. Hall of Famer. That is 61 out of 100. So not too shabby. Got 2 hits there. One for the White Sox, 1 for the Royals. And our last pack in this blaster, we've got Max Kepler, Shohei Ohtani, which is way off-centered, Josh Winder, Eloy Jimenez, and Frankie Montas on the Prism. That Shohei's way off-centered, way off-cut. Wow. Alrighty, but it's a Shohei. Hey, what can you say? But thanks for joining. Little truck rip today. 2 hits, Ohtani, handful of other cards. Pretty cool blaster rip. Alright, catch you later.